Hi, this is Chris, Kitchen One Solutions. I'd like to take a few minutes to talk to you about the course we offer on kitchen fire suppression systems. Our course is a little different than a manufacturer's course. Most of the manufacturer's classes that you'll go and take, they are a classroom setting. There's no hands-on training in those classes. It's strictly out of the manual with the calculations of the piping, the flow points, the calculation of the equipment, what size of system you need. That type of thing is what you'll learn at one of the distributorship schools. Now, I'm not saying you don't need that, but because you do. But here we offer that as well as hands-on training, which is something that most of the distributors, as a matter of fact, I don't know of any of the distributors that offer actual hands-on training. At Kitchen One Solutions, we have every kitchen automatic fire system here that would be located anywhere in the United States or Canada. Whether it's Ansel, Protex, PowerChem, Range Guard, Kitchen Knife, Buckeye, we have it here. Our class consists of 5 days, rules and regulations, the first part of it, that is the classroom part. And then we get into the hands-on part. You will learn how to disarm, service, rearm these fire systems. Each and every fire system you will learn how to service. Installation, you will learn how to install these systems. Most jurisdictions and the service manuals require that these systems be serviced twice a year. We'll teach you about 12-year maintenance, low pressure hydrostatic testing. We go from point A to B, everything that you'll need to know about a kitchen fire suppression system. If you're completely new to the industry, I really suggest that you take the hands-on training and our classroom training first. You will need to obtain a distributorship from one of the manufacturers, but by coming to our class first, you'll be able to work with each and every system and make an informed decision about which system you want to represent. And if you're a hood cleaner already servicing restaurants for their hood cleaning, hey, this is a perfect opportunity to add and to grow your business. I mean, let's say if you've got 60 or 70 customers in the restaurant cleaning their hoods twice, 3 times, whatever a year, you add this service to your hood cleaning service, you're miles ahead. Take a look around at our systems behind me here. We'll have more videos coming out showing the entire shop. If you've got any questions, my number's on the website. I'm Chris, Kitchen One Solutions. Give us a call. Thanks.